Okay, now it's time for exercise number 3, where we are going to interpret a UML class diagram and create an XML schema for it. So we start by creating a new file. That's a type of XML schema, and we will save it as topomap. We call it like that, the schema. Okay. Let's see what we have here. First we have to change the name of the root element. It's not root, it's topographic map, like this. And we can delete this line also. Okay, this is the element topographic map. It also has an attribute that is the name of the map. So name equal name of map and type like this. Okay, does it look right? We can check, validate. Yes. It looks okay right now. Then the topographic map consists of a sequence of topographic features. So the next element type we specify here are in a sequence. They are elements, the name equal to topographic feature. So minimum 0. We can allow an XML file without any topographic features, but unbounded here, as many as we like. And these are of complex type, of course. Now we have defined it's a sequence of topographic maps is a sequence of topographic features. We will validate the schema, see it looks okay, yeah. We collapse it like this. Okay, it looks good. Now, these topographic features are of 3 different types: roads, water, and buildings. So here we have a choice between them. The first type of or potential feature type are the roads. Name equal road. That's all. We don't have to specify how many there are. the we don't have to specify the cardinality here. Okay, it's the rows, they are complex, like this, and they have an attribute. The name attribute is called road name, and the type is string. Okay, this looks good. We check it. Yeah, good so far. The next element type oops, I think we have a wrong line. Yeah, should be. New element, name equal water. That's all we have to say right now. Check if it's okay. Yeah. Before we specify the waters, we can go further on and type in the buildings like this. Building. They are also complex, as most elements are. And we have an attribute here. Name, the attribute is called type of building, and it's a string. Like this. Looks okay to me. We check it. Yep, still valid. Okay. So now we see here the general structure is that we have a topographic map, and it's a sequence of topographic features, and the topographic map has an attribute called name of map. The topographic features, each topographic feature is either a road, water, or a building. Then we need to specify the water here. And as in the water can be of two different types, so we have a choice here. first we need to specify, sorry, we remove this. We need to say that it's a complex element, of course. Now, we have a choice between two different type of elements. The first is river. And the river is also a complex type. It has some attributes. Name of the attribute is river name, and the type of the attribute is string. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Still valid? Okay. So this is the end of the river specification. Now we have to specify the structure of the second type of water. That is lake. Believe it or not, it's a complex element. And it has an attribute. Name of the attribute is lake name, and the type is string. Like this. So this should be our XML schema, and last thing we do here is to validate, and it's still valid. So if we collapse all the elements here, so we see here, yes, this is the schema. It's called topographic map, and the schema, it consists of a sequence of topographic features, and it has an attribute, name of map. And these topographic features are either roads, water, or a building. And the water is either a river or a lake. And we can look into more specifically the specification of all these different feature types. Okay, that's end of exercise number 3. Thank you.